Tesla just posted one of its most painful financial quarters ever, its steepest revenue drop in more than a decade. Revenue fell 12% year over year, down to $22.5 billion for the April to June period. That's below analyst expectations of $22.74 billion, according to LSEG data. What happened? Brain in this segment will break down what's behind the revenue drop. Falling car sales, weakened demand, and a growing storm around CEO Elon Musk's political actions. Next track button up next, we'll dive into the sharp decline in Tesla vehicle sales. Even though they just released a refreshed Model Y, automobile Tesla's vehicle revenue dropped by 16% as deliveries fell for a second straight quarter, down 14% year over year. Chart increasing the company blamed it on weaker demand, even after launching an updated version of its best-selling Model Y SUV. Speech balloon, so what's really going on? Is it just about competition, or is something deeper affecting consumer interest in Tesla? Bar chart industry analysts say the drop isn't about product quality. It's about brand perception. Consumers aren't just buying cars anymore. They're buying into the values and image of a company. Man standing, and when the CEO becomes the face of controversy, it starts to impact decisions in the showroom. Next track button in the next segment. We uncover the political controversies around Elon Musk that are shaking Tesla's global reputation. Warning: Elon Musk has recently been linked to political moves that are turning heads. He reportedly launched a new political party in the U.S., while also having ties to Germany's far-right AfD, a group criticized for extremist views. Germany, one of Tesla's major markets. This connection sparked public backlash, raising concerns about Musk's influence on the brand. Bomb the bigger question: is Elon Musk becoming a liability for Tesla? Chart increasing consumers and investors are taking notice. Some EV buyers in the U.S. and Europe are reportedly shifting toward other brands: BMW, BYD, Rivian, even Lucid. Firecracker the damage isn't just about competition. It's about trust, and whether Tesla still represents innovation or has become a personal platform for its CEO. Fast forward button, but despite the chaos, Tesla is still placing big bets. Coming up, their massive pivot toward AI and autonomous vehicles. Robot-faced Tesla is now doubling down on its long-term future, betting big on robotaxis and artificial intelligence. Oncoming Taxi, a limited trial of Tesla's robotaxi service, just launched in Austin, Texas. And new reports say Tesla is in talks with the state of Nevada to expand the program. Link at the same time, Musk's separate AI company, xAI, is gearing up to play a major role in Tesla's tech ecosystem. Lightbulb xAI is Elon Musk's latest venture in artificial intelligence. Its mission? To build advanced machine learning models that could power Tesla's full self-driving FSD systems. Directed analysts believe xAI could lead to deep integration between Tesla vehicles and AI assistants, allowing cars to not just drive themselves, but learn, adapt, and interact. Automobile, could this be Tesla's ticket back to the top? That's the big bet Musk is making. Loudspeaker Dan Ives from Wedbush Securities told Al Jazeera that Tesla is at a positive crossroads. White heavy checkmark. He says Musk is more laser-focused than ever, with signs of stabilizing demand in China, Tesla's second largest market. Battery, and while the current numbers look bleak, Ives believes Tesla's early AI strategy and robotaxi rollout could change the narrative by 2026, if executed properly. Chart increasing despite the disappointing report. Tesla shares rose 0.1% during regular trading, before falling 0.3% after hours. Chart increasing with the end. The slight rebound shows investors still have some faith in Tesla's long game, even if the short-term performance is rocky. Brain, but the stock is volatile, and investor confidence will depend on whether Tesla can turn its AI hype into real revenue. Directed Teslas at a turning point. On one side, falling sales, shaking consumer trust, and political controversy. On the other, a bold push into AI, autonomous vehicles, and futuristic innovation. Speech balloon, the big question is, do consumers and investors still believe in Tesla? Not just a car, but the company? Studio microphone, what about you? Would you still buy a Tesla today? And what do you think about Elon Musk's growing influence on the company's direction? Bellhop Bell, hit that like button. Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into EVs, AI, and the future mobility.